Hi guys, good morning to you all. This is a little bit unprecedented for me. I got a chance to wake up early and really enjoy what's out there today. I, um, I, I had a calling and I thought I wanted to make a challenge for you that I would wake up every morning and wanted to share something with you that I may have thought about it overnight or it's just something that I can hold back. But I really want to maybe have a chit chat with you in the morning, and here's something I want to share with you. Crossed my mind. I wanted to ask you, what if I tell you that if you don't make a change right now, if you don't adapt to the change, you will be left behind. Is that something resonate you? You know, I thought about this last night and I said, you know what? I know someone who didn't want it to make that change, and I really wanted to tell that person, hey, the world is changing. The current situation is changing. Why not? Right? So I have this friend, Susan. She's been a hairstylist maybe for the 25 years. She's used to the old style. She is comfortable with the way she operating the business. That means just word of mouth and also passing out flyers. So I told her, you know what? Do you have a Facebook? Do you have Instagram? No, she doesn't, right? So I said, why don't you get on board, get on my Facebook, get on our group, and maybe you can explore something different. Maybe you can help others with your experience. And she go, no, I'm too old for it. I don't want change. I don't like change because I can't afford, getting on board with all these young girls on Instagram, on Facebook. And so I said, you know what, if you don't make that change, if you don't change your life, you're always gonna be your old self. You're gonna be behind, right? You don't know what's happening out there in the world. So finally convinced, and Susan said, you know what, I'm gonna make this challenge. I'm gonna get on board, I'm gonna join your group and see what's out there. So she joined one day, and Susan get back to me. Susan go, Tanya, I cannot believe it. Thank you so much allowing me to join your group. I have seen and I have met so many different people on the group, so many support things that I never knew before, the little things that it's out there, such as, different courses, different online courses, different on-location courses. There's so much educations that she adapt. So she learned a lot. She learned how to, get herself out in the Facebook world, get her business out there, and met so many different professionals. So her story really resonated me in a way that it takes back to where I was before. So what my story is, how I can relate to Susan, because one day I don't know how to take pictures, right? You know how young girls right now take really nice picture of their work. I have an amazing work, and I was with my students, and she was like, Miss Tanya, that's not the way to take pictures. You have to get on board. You have to, make changes. You cannot take pictures the way that you used to take now. No one wants to, look at your pictures, right? And so she brought out the phone, and then she go, this is where you should go. This is what you should do. This is what you should punch on. And I tried it and I go, oh my God, this is amazing. And it brings out the best of my work. So I said, you know what? I used to say, I refuse to change. These young girls don't know anything or, but that's one thing that I can learn from the young girls is that how to take the best pictures of my work. So I want to bring out this message. You need to adapt to the changes. It doesn't matter what it is. So don't hold back your feelings. Don't think that making changes or follow someone or, making or using someone's idea is the bad thing. Your self-esteem does not hurt. So, in conclusion, I wanted to let you know you must adapt to changes. However the situation is right now, the current situation right now, you must change to improve you, to improve your life, to take you to a next step, the next level. And with all in that, I wanted to give you a quote of the day, and this is from Albert Einstein. He said, "The measure of intelligence is the ability to change." Isn't it powerful? The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. So, what I wanted to give you the day is that if you need any help, if you need any of the, sharing or opinions on the messages, on the new changes, we can help. And at least I can help you because, with all the changes, like going from the conventional courses to an online courses, for example. Our academy here, the Glamour Academy, will forever bring you the new change for your adaptation. So if you need to reach out to us, give us a call, 951-800-8007. Or right now, hey guys, you know what? Actually, I do have a 5-day challenge right now. Join the group, and maybe that 5-day challenge is the business masterclass will make a change in you. Hello, Lena. Good morning to you, my friend. I'm making these unconventional changes, but anyway, that's my message to you. I just wanted to reach out to all of you out there, my friends, and everybody in the group. Maybe that you can resonate what I am going through right now. Okay, so go out there, make a change, adapt to changes. Okay, and if you need to make that changes right now with your different educations, different courses, give us a call. Give us a call back, 951-800-8007. I am be happy to maybe share something with you. Share something that I have here. Or better yet, I mentioned before, we now have a 5-day business class masterclass challenge. So join us in the group right now. Hello, Lorena. I hope you got my message today. Right? How are you? How are you, Lena? Look at this. Beautiful weather. Really, really nice right now. I couldn't ask for anything more. Good morning to you. Good morning to you all. Hey, if you're in here, if you're in here right now, go ahead and give me a heart or a thumb up. Okay? Yes, I missed you. Well, anyway, I will see you again at 10 o'clock live today. Right now, I'm just feeling a little bit overwhelmed with different ideas I want to share with you. So go out there, make a change. Make a change, ladies. Or give us a call. You can also join our Facebook here. And right now we have a 5 days masterclass challenge. Okay, and that's gonna give you abundant, a whole bunch of informations, teach you how to conduct your business. Beautiful. This is my front yard. Okay, there you go. Just gonna give you an idea. I just had my coffee. So, well, anyway, I will see you all again at 10 o'clock today, which is about 1 o'clock your time in the East Coast, and we'll talk some more topics. Thank you. We'll see you then. Bye.